Yes, my people, what is good? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rom. So, one of my favorite Yeezy silhouettes is the 700. We had the latest colorway dropped over the weekend, and you know I had to grab myself a pair just for the collection. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Yeezy 700 in the orange wash colorway. Check these out. Yes, people, I hope everything is good with you. So in this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the orange wash Yeezy 700s. We're going to be taking a closer look at the 700s in general and where I think they stock up in regards to the other Yeezy models that I've released. I'm also going to be looking at sizing, which is very important for all Yeezys. And I'm going to be touching on resale as well. But before we get started, if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, first things first, this shoe looks really familiar. And it looks like we had the Wave Runner and the Enflame Ambers merged together to bring you this shoe. And I'll tell you what I'm talking about. So this is the Enflame Amber, which has the exact same midsole. This is the Wave Runner. And this pretty much has the exact same upper with all the leather and all the meshing. The only thing is, I think the leather on this is a little bit more lighter than this one. But in my opinion, they are literally the exact same shoe. They look the exact same. They look like they've been morphed together to give you this colorway. And to be honest with you, I am not mad at it. I think any colorway mixture with the Wave Runner is going to be absolutely incredible. This is one of my favorite shoes of all time. This is probably one of the best Yeezy, top 3 Yeezy or top 5 Yeezys, I should say, of all time as well. So you really can't go wrong with this colorway on any shoe. So that's a really big win for this shoe. So I have a lot of Yeezys in my collection and this is just going to add to it. But one thing I really do love about Yeezys and the 700s in particular, 700s, 500s and 350s, the quality control on these shoes are absolutely incredible. These are things you can wear into the ground. You'll be having these for years and wear them into the ground. You cannot worry about the midsole falling apart or anything like that because the quality control is so good. They use a lot of premium materials on this shoe. So on this shoe, you get a lot of meshing, you get a lot of suede, nubuck. It's pretty much all there, and all the materials on this shoe is top tier because you are paying quite a big price tag for Yeezy, so you do expect the quality control to be perfect. On this shoe, it's no different. Quality control is absolutely incredible on here. I really can't find anything wrong with this shoe, and I'm really a big fan of the 700s, and just because of that. So these shoes did retail for £200 in the UK. I think it was £220 actually in the UK. And these did drop at quite a few retailers. I do think $220 for this shoe is a little bit steep, but then again, the materials are pretty decent. So you kind of get what you pay for. But then again, this is a really sought after shoe. So let's talk about resale. And the good thing about today's market is the Yeezy 700s are a lot more accessible than they were, let's say, about a year ago. A year ago, you wouldn't be able to buy a pair of these for a good price because the prices on these were really expensive. But today, it's a buyer's market and you know you'll be able to grab a pair of these for a decent price around retail or a little bit over retail. So these retail for $220, so expect to pay around $250 for these. And the good thing is if you want a pair of these, you will be able to grab them at a decent price, and that's a really good thing in my opinion. So my final thoughts on the orange wash Yeezy 700. This is an absolutely incredible shoe. The materials are nice as they usually are. Price point is okay. You'll be able to grab a pair of these if you missed them over the weekend for a decent price as well. So it's a no-brainer. This is 100% must cop. If you get the sizing right on these as well, they do fit absolutely incredible. Feels very comfortable inside. You really can't go wrong with a pair of these. And what I say is absolutely everyone should have at least one 700 in their collection. So this is a good start in my opinion. So definitely a must cop. Yes, my people, that is it for the video. I hope you found the information useful. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Peace.